Welcome back to another video, everyone. Before I do start though, I would like to say that I do have new merch dropping today as this video is coming out. If you do want bitches, go into the link in the description and here's some designs or whatever that are being dropped. And well, hope you enjoy the video.
You guitar and you built up those properties, the amount of times I landed on them.
Bro is playing fucking Monopoly.
Why?
Yes,
Yeah,
he literally said he was.
Like, I landed on it like at least 4 times.
Business majors, bro.
Bro, yeah, I think
playing on the toaster.
Mark's
Now
spitting
back
fast.
to normal things.
I'm spitting, just spitting.
I took one.
Oh, hey.
Whoa.
We don't use the R word around these streets specifically because it offends me. I have a mental disability. I play jungle.
That's it. That's the only disability.
I don't know why I paused after. That's it.
Nope.
Oh my goodness.
Sorry.
Oh my goodness.
Does that support this?
Estaba tu. Blah.
Out. Get out. Nope.
Gank me again.
Oh my goodness. This ADC roll, I mean jungle roll.
Why are you still in here?
It says big attacks.
Yo, I'm the US government, bro.
You eat it?
That's exactly how I talk to him.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
There's nobody else home right now. Nobody else is going to get
What?
Oh my goodness. Holy, that's a
9.
Alright, I'm starting to see the fruits of my labor.
Hey, you want to 1v1? I find 1v1ing.
Bro said you want a 1v1 against an 8.
No!
That is not
Okay. So am I just ending?
pissed.
Bro, go.
Wow, I ran out of energy.
I think all that shows is how broken Ignite is in top lane.
Bro,
Oh.
goddamn. Wait, why don't more people play this champion
no!
top? It's so good.
Yeah, no good.
I'm still
Okay, you're
1/3 of
dead.
your CS, but I am up a kill.
Oh my goodness.
But I also Oh, she's on me.
No.
She actually went for the through the wall.
Yeah. Wow, my fucking toes. I guess I get to enjoy the campfire. Or the... So nice here. Where's the other thing? Oh! My wave clear go crazy.
Insane.
What the fuck? Oh, I'm such a sprinter. Alright. I just gotta run away and pop my ult. Go! Please kill him! Yes!
Huge.
Oh my god!
Oh.
No, that's so cheating.
Oh, she killed herself on the
Oh
rafters.
my god!
Every time you meet somebody new.
What are you talking about?
Remember that time you met Alex?
What are you talking about?
He's not gaslighting him, are you? What the fuck?
I've done nothing.
Watch out for the Lux.
I'm an innocent one. I did not murder 7 people at a convention in 2016. Yeah, I don't know about McDonald's. You know they have whale meat?
No, I actually hadn't heard that.
Yeah, their chicken's actually whale meat. And their beef is actually horse.
I have trouble
do you
believing your
think about
statement, but I'll take it. I'll take it for what it's worth.
You know who you're talking to?
The only reason I play jungle is 'cause I had to play it for Clash. Is that depressing?
Who?
Me.
Asked.
I'm leaving.
Which I paid for, the fuck? Post that shit.
There's additional
ASAP.
fees.
What?
Additional fees now.
What do you mean additional fees? I fund your lifestyle.
I make the rules.
I fund your lifestyle. I stopped subscribing to all your shit and you go poor, Mo. There's no leverage here. No, send me a picture of your fucking feet.
Anyway, so apparently you're able to like visualize your subconscious within a dream and project it into a literal person, and you're able to communicate with it like that, you know? Well, basically,
Sounds
I
like
do
you're
that with
talking to the devil, Jesse. I'm not gonna cap.
I do that with Ben's voice sometime because I just hate it so much. So I incarnate his voice and beat the shit out of it. To be honest. Y is equal to L. What is L? 3.4. Shut the fuck up. You a bitch for that. 3.4.
Alright, let's hunt Vagar. There he is.
Nice.
You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Holy shit.
3, 1.
Oh, yeah, so,
there-
okay, that's fine.
Taller. This is not information I was given.
You
Yes.
think I date a midget?
4-3.
I am a midget.
4-3.
4-3 on a good day.
You goddamn bro. You want a pickaxe too, you fucking dwarf? Goddamn. Do you
Okay,
think
go
I
kill
did
him,
it?
Amar.
I'm terrified.
Amar, I don't want to do this.
I'm terrified. Don't make me do this. I'm
I
doing
don't
it.
want to.
Oh my god, I'm just dissecting their entire team. Oh my goodness.
Go shut up. Volatile.
James. Thanks, James. Delivery.
Optimal. Oh, wait, I got the blind there? That's fucking insane.
I like that you got killer burn there too.
Yo.
Wow.
There's a Jan in mid.
I think we should get rid of school mascots.
You think so?
Yeah, it promotes furries.
True. Honestly, it's
True.
fucked up.
I'm unhooking, I'm unhooking.
Could you heal me right here? That'd be too much to ask.
I could.
Thank you. Thank you. Wait, I gotta sabotage this. I gotta get my shit.
I think instead of furries, we should have anime.
Here he is. I have my ult. This guy is not equipped to fight. Got him.
Nice.
I'm
You
here.
could dive maybe.
My use on cooldown. Give me a sec. Nice play. Nice play.
I just put down a controller too. That's tragic.
Oh. Okay, that guy just sent it.
Nice.
Nice. Nice.
A minute to end, you a real one. Anyways, make sure that you do go and check out that merch if you want to, and make sure that you're subscribed, or else.